Hello everyone, this is Haori from China. 15 years of focus just to build better motors. Let's see what tests this spin motor goes through before shipment. This type of this spin motor is used in woodworking machine. First, the dimensions are checked according to the approved drawing. OK says are OK. Now the motor is running. Speed and frequency are stable and meet the required specs. RPM OK, frequency OK. Fan cooling. Noise is low. Only after 100% inspection can this motor receive its quality certificate. This is our daily shipping routine. Will you be the next one to use it? Hurry always online.